Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Analytical Angle. So fellow math Olympians, today we are going to be looking at a previous year question of ISI B.Stat 2009 and the first method which is using trigonometry which most of you won't notice at first glance. So the question says a and b are real numbers with a square plus b square not equal to 0, which basically means that a and b both are not 0. Uh, and then it asks for the range of c such that the equations al plus bm equal to c and l square plus m square equals 1 have real solutions. So let us start. So using L square plus M square equal to 1, we get an intuitive idea that we might just use L equals sine theta and M equals cos theta because sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. And if we substitute this in the equation AL plus BM equals C, we get A sine theta plus B cos theta equals C. And in order to find C's range, we just need to find the maximum and minimum. And in order to do that, what do? We differentiate it with respect to the variable. And here, what is changing? Theta. So we differentiate with respect to theta, and we get dc by d theta equals a cos theta minus b sine theta. And when it comes to maxima or minima, the differentiated function is always equal to 0. So we get tan theta equals a by b from this, and this has two possibilities. Either sine theta equals a by root under a square plus b square, or sine theta equals minus a by root under a square by b square. In the first case, we have cos theta equals b by root under a square plus b square. And in the second case, we have cos theta equals minus b by root under a square plus b square. So plugging in the first case, we get c equals root under a square plus b square. And plugging in the second case, we get c equals minus root under a square plus b square. So it is clear that the first case yields the maxima and the second case yields the minima. Therefore, the range is always from minimum to maximum. So the range will be option A, which is the right answer. So for the second method, what we do is we assume L to be on the x-axis and M to be on the y-axis. This gives ax plus by equals c and x square plus y square equals 1. The first equation is that of a straight line, while the second equation is that of a circle with radius 1. And in order to find the range of C, what we do is, again, we find the maxima and minima, but in a different way. We don't differentiate here. What we do is, we see when C is such that the line and the circle intersect at only one point. So there will be two such values of C. One will be the maxima and the other will be the minima. This will be much better explained in the upcoming animation. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself. Thank you.